Aaron Hardesty here for Hardesty Remodeling and Repair. I'm doing another project on my Keystone Impact 386. It's a 2014 model. The air conditioner in the front bedroom made a loud noise the other day. It's been getting louder as time has gone on. The bearings went out in the fan motor. So I got that all disassembled the other day and ordered a few parts for it, the new motor, but the blower cage, or the squirrel cage, whenever I took it apart, it appeared to have a break in it. So I'm going to show you that part, and hopefully this will be helpful information. This is the old blower wheel that came off. You might call it a squirrel cage as well, but as you see here, there's one spot that has a notch out of one of the fins. And when I first looked at it, it looked, because it was uneven, like it was broken. But I got the new one in the mail today from RV Parts, and it's got the exact same thing. So that's in the design. With a lot of these RV parts, it's hard sometimes to know exactly which products are for what. I have a Coleman Mach AC unit, two of them on the trailer, and finding parts can be a challenge even with the model numbers, and information is not always readily available. So I thought I'd post this so that if you take your air conditioner apart and you see that it's not broken, so no need to order another one. I'm going to hang on to this one though, just to be safe, and have a part to be able to replace another later. I think the bearings are going out in the other air conditioner. It's all sealed, so you can't grease those bearings and repack those, so had to upgrade to a new one. I'll try to post a little information about that new motor install when I get that done. But hopefully this has been helpful information. So take care out there. Hope your repairs go well.